Hey boys and girls, I thought for today we could take a look at this book called Looking for Orson. I know a few of us who were on the meet this week got a chance to read it with me, but here's a great chance for you to practice your reading skills and read it on your own. So I'm going to just turn the pages and you can practice reading. If I'm going too fast, you can always pause this or go back to something. And then at the end, I'll read it through so you can check if you got it correct. All right. I know a lot of you love the Orson and Taco books, and this one is called Looking for Orson. It's by Charlotte Wilson and illustrated by Meredith Johnson. All right, there's Orson and there's Taco. All right, that was a good story, right? Make sure you use the pictures if you're not sure of some of the words. That can always help you too. All right, we'll go back to the beginning and I will read it for you if you want to read along with me. So we have Looking for Orson by Charlotte Wilson, illustrated by Meredith Johnson. There's Orson, remember the big dog, and Taco is the little dog. It was time for bed, but Jack did not see Orson. Jack looked by the big chair. He did not see Orson. He looked behind the door, but he did not see his big dog. Jack looked under the table. Orson was not there. "What are you doing?" Mom asked Jack. "It's time for bed." "I'm looking for Orson," Jack said. "I can't find him." Mom said, "I will look for Orson. Go to bed now." So Jack went to his room. Jack found Orson. That was pretty funny. Where was Orson the whole time? He was in Jack's bed. Can Jack fit in his bed? Doesn't look like it. And Jack went to bed. Looks like he's sleeping in Orson's bed tonight. All right, I hope you like this story. I'll put another one on probably on Monday, so check back. I also attached a game onto our Google Classroom if you'd like to play with someone or just practice reading the words. Have a great weekend.